The senior BJP MLA, Mr. Ashwath Narayana here. So thank you so much for joining us. You've been holding relentless protests with respect to the Congress government here. What is your take? Do you think that the Congress would have a discussion, healthy discussion at the Karnataka Assembly session with respect to both the scams, Valmiki and Moda?
No. The discussion has started on the floor of the House. We have been discussing, we have been expressing. And it is very clear. 100% siphoning of the funds of the ST corporation has happened very clearly. And the government has become mute. And somehow we need to ensure that justice will prevail. The government is being made accountable in this direction. All the investigation agencies are investigating, and I think they should be allowed to investigate it fairly. And all the fingers have been pointing out, and it's very obvious the money 100% has been siphoned off, and the government has to answer.
The Congress has been stating that the ED has been misused by the BJP and that this is a deliberate move done by the BJP only to target opposition leaders.
What else defense they can take? When they are involved? All the time we can make the similar allegation. Whenever the law of the land, any home department is investigating, the government is abusing, misusing, blackmailing, threatening. Even the CM threatened today in the floor of the House. He was threatening. So they can't make these kind of excuses. Anyhow, there's a judiciary, there's a legal system. There are many other forums. Nobody can abuse, misuse. Nobody can do that. Probably it can be done for a small time, but not over the time. Nobody can misuse, abuse. It is always, the scrutiny is there. Somehow, the Congress government in the state of Karnataka is somehow trying to, insulate the entire investigation. Somehow they want to get away from this entire investigation and loot what has happened. 100% looting has been done in this government. They are accountable, they are answerable, they can't get away. And whoever has looted this money, they should face the law.